Heavy eye makeup, sticky lip gloss, and excessive use of powder are among the makeup trends to avoid during humid weather. Beauty is an ever-evolving concept that embraces individuality and personal expression. With factors like weather, skin type, hair type, and individual tastes, there are no universal rules for beauty. Let's delve deeper and find out what additional beauty trends and practices one should avoid for achieving sharp and perfect looks in humid weather. First, foundation. Opt for lightweight, oil-free foundations or tinted moisturizers that provide coverage without feeling heavy on the skin. Second, contouring. In humid weather, it's best to avoid excessive bronzer application as it can look unnatural and may streak or melt. Third, mascara. Simplify your eye makeup routine by choosing waterproof or long-wearing formulas. Fourth, lip gloss. Lip glosses can be prone to smudging and sticking to your hair strands in humid conditions. Fifth, powder. While powder can help to control shine, but too much of that can result in a caked-looked appearance. Seventh, eyeshadows. Complex eye makeup look with multiple eyeshadows, eyeliner, and mascaras can smudge or crease easily in humid weather. So, adhere a consistent skincare routine like cleansing your face twice a day, exfoliating regularly to remove dead skin cells, and using a lightweight moisturizer that suits your skin type.